everyone, welcome back to another special tutorial. Before I show you the tutorial, I just want to thank you guys for 40 subscribers. That's pretty awesome. Actually, I'm thinking of making a giveaway. Actually, it would be a small giveaway, not a huge giveaway, because I don't know, but I don't have stuffs remaining. I mean, like, the thing that I'll give away, it's just not ready yet. So yeah, I'll give information to you guys soon. I mean, like, maybe in the next video. Okay guys, let's start with the tutorial. Hello everyone, I'm Shawin tutorial here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how can you make your game thumbnail. So let's get started. So first you need a second sprite, and we're just gonna name this thumbnail. Then we'll work on the script, and then we're just gonna event and hide. Yep. So we're just gonna hide, and then let's create a simple thumbnail. Let's go ahead and okay, I'll speed this up a little bit. You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. So right over here, I got a very good thumbnail here. I think I'm working hard with this thumbnail. Yep, I think I'm working hard with this thumbnail. It took for a while to do this. And then you leave your thumbnail here, and then you click see project page, and then everything that appeared here, when you click see project page, it will be your thumbnail, and you got this. So you make sure your sprite was was, let's say, behind this. So now you got this. There we go. And when you click it, it's hide. When you reload it, there we go. Now that's a thumbnail. Thanks for watching. I know this is a very short video, but make sure you go ahead and subscribe. I mean, like, go ahead and like and subscribe. Join my Discord server so you never miss, the updates, or you just want to talk with me. Go ahead. Yeah, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave